chum.
I want your phone and take a picture when I got the gate closed outside. I want a picture and then email them and say, get out of the way. That's awesome, man. Like, I'm gonna have it straight on, man. I'm gonna get Jay on his phone to email Parker, don't fuck around in Rob's yard. I'm gonna close the gate here. You take a picture and email Parker and say, apparently you don't fuck around in Rob's yard. Okay. Hold on. I'll leave it open.
That's great. He's gonna come here. What the fuck?